इनरव्हिल क्लब ऑफ म्हापसा एलिटतर्फे वेर्ला गाणगा पंचायत आवारात इनरव्हिल फॉरेस्ट कार्यक्रम संपन्न झाला. या कार्यक्रमाला प्रमुख पाहुणे म्हणून लाभले होते आमदार विनोद पालयेकर, सरपंच मिल्टन मार्किस, क्लबच्या अध्यक्षा सौप्रिया प्रताप परब, खजिनदार गायत्री सावकार, उपसरपंच वैशाली मोरजकर, प्रताप परब तसेच पंच लक्ष्मीकांत बिचोलकर उपस्थित होते. पर्यावरणाचं जतन करणं ही आजच्या काळाची गरज आहे असे क्लबच्या अध्यक्षा सौप्रिया परब यांनी सांगितलं. तर सरपंच मिल्टन मार्किस यांनी उपक्रमाबद्दल क्लबचं अभिनंदनही केलं.
Idea I had in front of him, I told him, sir, this year I am going to lead the Innerville Club, and our main goal is to focus Innerville branding project. And I told him that my first priority is to get Innerville forest done. And he said, okay, I will do that, and he helped me out for everything, right from selecting the land, allotment of land, all the legal formalities for this allotment of land, clearing the land, getting trees from the forest department, labor work, everything, entire work he has done. And today we are here to see that our project has been done. Thank you so much.
As a Sarpanch, it is my duty to ensure that all these activities take place. We are in difficult times. The situation in Goa is very bad today. I think there are almost 6,000 cases. So many people are dying. So be safe, take good care, and therefore, because of the COVID condition, I have not invited many people for this function. Just a few people, just the members, and my deputy Sarpanch is here. I wish to thank especially Lakshmikant Bijolkar, because he immediately, when I told him we are doing this, that part is being done, let's do this part of the primary school, he immediately arranged for the keys and organized the thing for me. And I'm thankful to my members, Agasio, for having come. I just, with last minute notice, he was here, including the deputy Sarpanch, and thank all of you all.
एक मिनिट तू छत्री साईड काय यस यस 1 2
इकडे पाय फोटो पाय
फोटो पे मग
चालेल तो
ये ए तू साईड ते लाईट चले अरे ये तू उठ रे पाया
झकास येऊन द्या सगळी आणा बरी हा
We are here assembled to inaugurate our Innerville project, and we are doing it in presence of our MLA and ex-WRD Minister Vinod Palekar Sarji. Also we are having with us Sarpanch of Verla Kanka Panchayat, who did everything to get this project materialized. Also we have my all Innerville friends, other Panch members, Deputy Sarpanch of village Verla Kanka Panchayat, and so in presence of sir, we have already inaugurated this particular project, which is a branding project of Innerville. Actually, our main goal Innerville, that is to build friendship and of course service to community. This particular project which we have selected because our association president Mrs. Vasundharaji Chandrachud has given us the goal hope, and every letter of this word hope has its unique importance, where health, hope, H stands for health and hygiene, O stands for orphanage, P stands for patriotism, and E stands for environment. And this is the classic example of our Innerville branding project, which is Innerville Forest Project. Now we will so our association president Vasundhara ji has focused mainly on the Innerville branding project. she wants to take the logo of Innerville, which is wheel inside the wheel, to each and every corner of the country. Each and every person should know, should recognize and identify the logo of Innerville. And that is why she has given more focus on Innerville branding project. And even our wish was that we should do one such project. And today we have done, and so proud feeling for all the entire Innerville family that our wish is getting materialized. And of course, this is all because of all my friends who are continuously with me and guiding me. And as you all know that this is a pandemic situation where outdoor activities, we just cannot go out and do such activities. But even then, life has to go on. We cannot just stop. And our international Innerville president, luckily she is this year an Indian woman, and she has encouraged us, all of us, through her motivating and inspirational speech, that we can't stop. Though the life has changed, we can't stop. We have to live with this change in life. We shall accustom ourselves to this change. And she has given us the goal, lead the change. And I think with the motivational speech and inspirational speech of hers, we have fully motivated. And I could say proudly that yes, we can lead the change. And of course, with all my Innerville friends, we shall lead this change entire for the Innerville year 2021.
Yeah. छत्री छत्री वयर पुसको